This is behind the scenes. This is the stuff you don't see in the commercials.
Like I said, my wife is big woman. She's mean. So if you scratch it, watch your hand. Yeah. Oh man, y'all pretty good. That's close, but y'all got it. Them straps work nice.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Let me. Okay, ready.
Man, y'all good at that. Y'all must have did it once or twice before.
Oh, we did one yesterday.
Like I said, don't scratch it because I'm going to have to leave with y'all. She's mean. She's big.
We'll help you pack whatever we can. We're bringing the Mustang.
Oh, okay. Okay, press it, the red button to go off?
Yep. I don't think my camera's going to do it justice.
This is what my tank's going to look like. He's making it. He's got to finish it. So I ought to have it Friday. See this here? That's what my tank is going to take. Replace this. I'll put stainless steel. Let's see. I got another picture of it. That's the cover's made like. Oh wait, I know where it's at.
Got this.
I'll make a stroke out of it. And I got a 302 that was in here, and I'm gonna put it in there. It's gonna be a stroke. It'll be a 347.
Because what year is that one right there?
The 58, the black one. 58.
1958.
Yeah, the red one, that's a 97.
A little bit newer.
It looks pretty good. I got it fixed up a little bit.
But like say that motor from the black one is coming into this one, but all souped up.
Yeah.
It's gonna
I don't have the motor in here.
It's
I got
gonna
the
be
motor
all.
at my friend's house. I got to bring it to a shop.
You said candy black cherry.
Candy black cherry.
Nice.
That's going to be on the truck. This is going to be Atlas orange.
Atlas orange.
Pearl.
And a pearl.
Pearl. Yeah.
Sweet. Gonna be up and meet car shows and all that good stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be in car shows all over.
Man.
It don't really need that much body work to it.
Not really.
This whole thing got 280.
Anything good for y'all?
What you know about that? There's deer. Failed mission. Alright, so much for my super cool invention. We hit a few more trees. This one I'm gonna use peel and seal. Gonna put some of that stuff under. See if it holds better. This stuff's tough. Eddie bouncing on this ladder over here, putting some peel and seal on the roof of the truck. The roof. Cleaned it off with acetone. Ahí mero. Okay. No, ya se pegó esa madre. We got the Gorilla Tape on the roof right here for the water, and peel and seal a few layers strategically placed under the duct tape. Yes, I'm standing on my favorite chair again, and it's windy. Ow. Yeah, mejor. Ahorita voy, ahorita lo limpio. Avéntalo. Está bien. I got it. I'm gonna redo that one. Let's get 'em. There's peel and seal under that. Bring out the dent. Bring out the dent as much as possible. Now we're gonna cover it up with gray tape. Layers upon layers. Still working on this thing. Making a hard shell. Okay. So we had the crack on the roof. Added 2 layers of peel and seal. Can't see it in the night though.